Cheesy chicken veggie sliders recipe. These cheesy chicken veggie sliders are the perfect party snack or quick dinner option. Soft dinner rolls stuffed with spicy chicken, colorful veggies, melted mozzarella, and a creamy spicy sauce, then brushed with garlic butter and baked to perfection. Ingredients: for sliders, 6 dinner rolls, 250 g boneless chicken cut into small cubes, 1 red onion sliced, 1 cup bell peppers, red and yellow, sliced, 2 garlic cloves chopped, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon mixed dry herbs, half a cup sweet corn, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons oil, mozzarella cheese as needed. For sauce, a 1/4 cup tomato ketchup, a 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons sriracha sauce, 1/2 lime juice, salt and pepper to taste, 4 garlic butter, 2 tablespoons butter melted, 1 tablespoon fresh cilantro chopped, 1 garlic clove chopped, half a teaspoon garlic powder. Instructions. Step 1. Cook the chicken and veggies. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add chicken cubes, chopped garlic, onion, bell peppers, and sweet corn. Season with paprika, chili powder, coriander powder, dry herbs, salt, and pepper. Cook until the chicken is done and veggies are slightly tender. Remove from heat. Step 2. Make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix ketchup, mayonnaise, sriracha sauce, lime juice, salt, and pepper. Stir until smooth and creamy. Step 3. Prepare garlic butter. In another bowl, mix melted butter with chopped cilantro, chopped garlic, and garlic powder. Set aside for brushing the sliders. Step 4. Assemble the sliders. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Slice the dinner rolls horizontally. Place the bottoms on a baking tray. Spread the prepared sauce over the rolls. Sprinkle a layer of mozzarella cheese. Add the cooked chicken and veggie mixture. Top with another layer of mozzarella. Cover with the top halves of the rolls. Brush the tops with garlic butter. Step 5. Bake and serve. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes until golden brown and cheese is melted. Slice, serve hot, and enjoy. Perfect for family dinners, game nights, parties, or as a delicious snack. Tip: you can swap chicken with shredded beef, turkey, or even paneer for a vegetarian option.